discrimination's at our door. 5, 6, 7, 8, we have the right to demonstrate. Down! Take the banners down! Take the banners down! Take the banners down! Take the banners down!
Much better than the banners are taken down. And he didn't see any problem with it being the darker side, referring to gay families and children of. So he knew that it was going to be a worry. That's why he didn't park it on the main highway. So he parked it around the back streets so this wouldn't happen. And I'm just totally amazed, Peter, that this truck has been able to get from Sydney to Lismore without being stopped. And I'd like to thank my parents, who are both heterosexual, for bringing me into the world. And I wonder whether your children will be gay, Peter. Because I don't think...
I don't hate you, I love you.
You love me.
Yeah. But I love
But you're worried about my children, and you're worried about the children of this country. Yes. You're worried about those children because it's like, I'd like Peter to actually go to the churches and look after the pedophilias and the abuse on children in the churches, and to leave the gay community alone. We are not pedophiles.
No.
We do not abuse our children.
Take the banners down! 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 Take the banners off!
Come on, this is hate! Spreading hate! Isn't that a fuel tank?